We were going to go to Natchez this weekend, but there's a level 1 evacuation near where we wanted to go. So I went online and I found, I think, the very last campsite available for reservation in the state of Washington. We are at Cape Disappointment in a big grass field right next to our neighbors. But we're going to have a good time. This is our setup this weekend. Looks a little different. There's a van, a tent, and the trailer. So we have this whole big setup because we have guests. There are 8 of us camping here this weekend. My best friend from my childhood and her family. So excited! They made it! Hi guys! Luckily for our small guests, we keep an emergency pack in our van. And it comes equipped with a first aid kit. I had to use it twice within the first 20 minutes. There's the contents of our first aid kit. We need some more things. Gauze, tape, scissors, the sticky wrappy gauze stuff. What kind of things do you guys keep in your first aid kit when you're on the trail? Leave it in the comments below. In addition to the first aid kit, we always also have other things like tarp and rope, knife, light, a towel. We even have a little set of pans, tabs for purifying water, and the instructions since we split them between the vehicles. The pack also has a life straw, as well as emergency lights and whistles, and a little collapsible cup, and a foldable stove with the burners. And then, of course, we also have emergency food. We don't have very much in the rigs, but a few things for if we get stuck. Some tuna, gummies, those are Gatorade gummies, peanut butter, oatmeal, ramen. What else is in here? Oh, some honey sticks, and also this little silica pack to keep it from getting damp. So not a lot, but enough to hopefully get us back to our home base. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Henry. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Cha-cha-cha. Yay! It's August. We're at the beach.
This is August in Cape Disappointment, and not disappoint on the weather.
There's a shipwreck sloshing in the waves out there. It's crazy. I don't think we're capable of helping recover this one. There's some pretty neat shelters.
Did you get a video of the straggler back there?
You think he's back there for a reason? I gotta say yes. the ocean. See that guy? My board says on the ad it can do it. Doesn't mean the person on it can do it. Looks like they're gonna scrap it. Excavator and a dump truck. According to the Chinook Observer, the Hobo ran into trouble near North Jetty on a salmon fishing trip and was eventually safely beached after a Good Samaritan vessel evacuated the passengers. Well, the camping trip is over, but not the fun. We took a wrong turn in Raymond. Not really. We took a different turn in Raymond. Now we are in Westport getting Bennett's fish and chips. We splurged and got it all. Cheese curds, fish and chips, prawns and chips, lamb strips. We are home from our rainy camping trip. The yard looks like the campsite exploded in it. We are drying everything out. This is the only not so fun part about rain camping. Good thing it's nice today. Well, that's a wrap on this camping trip. We'll be at it again soon. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave your comments below.